A very good evening to all of you. Thank you very much for your response. Welcome to the official launch and unveiling of X-Men G6. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as the excitement builds along, I'm about to tell you something truly special. What we see here today is not going to the market just as a vehicle brand. We are unveiling something truly special today. Now, are you excited? Facial expressions, I see nods. Can I hear it? Is it a YES? A powerful yes? Are you excited? Yes. Wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. We are introducing something truly special, which is globally recognized AI-driven smart mobility, pioneering across 60 countries worldwide, and ladies and gentlemen, bring together performance, luxury, innovation, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, futuristic technology under one name. Now today marks a beginning of a bold new journey which is towards a smarter, a more connected, and above all, ladies and gentlemen, futuristic mobility. Now, together, as you all gather here, to give you a better enhanced knowledge, more insights about the brand X-Men, ladies and gentlemen, I'm absolutely delighted to invite an eminent personality to do the honors of taking you through the background, the visions, and all the dots that connect towards it. And ladies and gentlemen, as I welcome him on stage, let's give him a big round of applause as he is the Group CEO of Evolution Auto Private Limited, Mr. Viran D'Souza. He has 20 plus years experience in automotive excellence and industry leadership. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. I think you got it right, my LinkedIn profile now. Great introduction. So, good evening everyone. We'd like to request 15 minutes of your time. Bear with us, earn your food and drink for later. Let me run through, explain a little bit about the brand itself, and then diving into the product. So, let me get started. Tonight, we want to tell you about a company, not just a car company, a company that builds smart electric vehicles, flying cars, humanoid robots, fully autonomous road taxis, and the AI that powers everything. A company that Volkswagen believed in so much, they invested $700 million and chose Xpeng's technology to power every electric vehicle they sell in China in 2026. This is Xpeng. Welcome to the future of the car. Xpeng was founded on a single belief that artificial intelligence will transform not just how we drive, but how we move through the world of life. Today, they operate across three frontiers: flying mobility, humanoid robots, and smart electric vehicles. What makes them extraordinary is that they all three share the same layer entirely built in-house. Aerie, the flying car. Last year, Xpeng's mobility subsidiary, Aerie, rolled out the world's first mass-produced flying car. This is the Land Aircraft Carrier, a 6-wheel, all-wheel drive ground vehicle. You drive to your destination, detach, and take to the skies. This is actually available for sale, $280,000, price of a Land Cruiser today. And hopefully with our new structures, runway airplanes will be duty free. So let's see what this is about. Next, we have the 868, 500 kilometers of range and designed for intercity travel. Now moving on to the interesting part. What happens when a car company decides to build a thinking, moving human companion? This is Iron. When X-Men unveiled it at the AI Day, the audience couldn't tell if it was a person or a machine, and actually had to be dismantled on stage to prove what it was. The iron can pick up an egg without breaking it, hold a tool with the precision of a surgeon, walk, talk, and learn in real time. Inside it runs the same AI that powers X-Men's autonomous driving.
某种角度，我想先郑重的想对他说一声对不起。我希望这是最后一次 Aaron 来证明他是他自己，但是我相信未来会证明，在这一次的机器人质证明他是自己，会推动中国机器人整个行业更健康、更蓬勃的发展。如果这样做是的。
So this is really not just science fiction. I was fortunate enough to visit the factory in Beijing a few weeks ago, and they will be mass produced by the end of this year. And in 2027, you will really start to see them walking on streets, living with humans. Next, we move on to VW. If you look at VW in terms of revenue, they're the world's largest automotive player, with almost $300 billion in sales. In 2023, Volkswagen made a decision. They invested $700 million with XPeng, not to absorb it, but to learn from it. Every EV Volkswagen manufactured in China from 2026 will run on XPeng's architecture and intelligent driving systems. So XPeng, partnered with the world's #1, produced over 1 million cars, becoming the fastest growing new energy vehicle brand globally. XPeng is present in over 60 countries as of 2025, including Sri Lanka. The XPeng family. The range spans from the sedan, the Mona, the iconic P7, P7 Plus, and the MPV X9. Now this, something special here, is the leading MPV in China ahead of the Toyota Alphard, the Denza V9. And then moving on to the SUVs, the G7, G9, and the newly launched GX, which will be reaching Sri Lanka by February next year. At the heart of tonight's event, the G6, the Ultra Smart Coupe SUV, the vehicle Evolution Auto is proud to bring to you today. This is one of many models to come. Quickly moving on to safety. And this is a key concern with new brands coming into the country, especially with EVs. XPeng does not claim to be safe, it proves it. If you look at the battery tests that they do, BYD had a nail test, a pressure test. So while you're XPeng inside the room, take a 9mm gun and fire at the battery. So the video here will show you how it's physically shot at with 10 bullets, reinstalled into the car and driven.
Maybe it's not the same use anymore. Probably more. So everything is okay. The table is present.
Next, moving on to the G6 in one of the harshest environments, where they actually testify in -30°, and they charge the vehicle in 30 minutes at this -30°. What this means is, engineered to handle -30° means it can handle any weather condition we can provide.
对，实际上现在已经看到我们的新人路对对对。
fine. Moving on to the next one. Imagine you're on the highway, speeding a little, 150 kilometers an hour, and both your tires go out. The stability control of the X-Pen is what we want to show you next. Quickly moving on, the latest venture of X-Pen has been the launch of the global taxis. Earlier this year, X-Pen rolled out a global taxi fleet, no high definition maps, no live, but just original cameras. They've tested this now with 100,000 customers in China, and it's matched an experienced driver. Richard Hammond from Top Gear, experiencing
I'm a chief architect software in the modern car future, and the brother of this is waiting to tell me about it. Tell me everything I return. Oh my god! What are these roads going to handle it? You may be working
So flying cars, humanoid robots, autonomous taxis, the fastest growing EV brand on the planet, backed by Volkswagen. This is the company behind the car of the J6. The X10 G6 is not just a vehicle, it's everything X10 knows how to do in a car you can own today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Virat. This was the Group CEO of Evolution Auto Private Limited. Now, ladies and gentlemen, something I did notice was, Mr. Virat, we have a good audience, I must say. Everyone is paying attention to every single detail. It's very rare that you see it. So I believe it gives a big round of applause once again because every single detail you did mention was truly valuable as well. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, up next, it's time for you to also understand more details about the particular product. Now, when we speak about the product, it's the architecture, it's the performance, it's the uniqueness, basically how this stands out. Now, to take you through that entire presentation, I'm absolutely delighted to invite Mr. Ashar Bimber Singh, the Head of Marketing of Evolution Auto Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please give up for him as he comes on stage to take you through it in depth as well. And ladies and gentlemen, 8+ years in the business of brand building and marketing experience. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. So I think we learned about what X-Pen as a brand stands for, and now we are about to figure out what we are about to unveil today. The X-Pen brand means a lot and it has so much to offer. They are literally bringing the future to you today. But speaking of the G6 itself, tonight, obviously, something changes in Sri Lanka. It's a smart electric coupe SUV built by X-Pen, the brand that we know, who is most advanced in terms of AI and also EV technology. So let's see what this means. In terms of recognition, geo recognition for the G6 alone, we have identified that not just awards, but they have been recognized by consumers. They have won consumer hearts. What does this mean? Let's see what each region carries. Looking at regions, in terms of Denmark and Netherlands, it's the #1 Chinese automotive brand across all the EV models. In terms of Norway, Belgium, Germany, France, Portugal, it's the #1 Chinese brand in the BEV mid-size C SUV segment. In terms of Spain, it's the #1 BEV mid-size C SUV segment. And finally, in terms of Israel, Thailand, and Indonesia, it's the #3 BEV mid-size C SUV segment. So this shows the level of confidence people in these regions have placed on this specific model that we will be unveiling today. That's the sort of confidence that is brought to you today. Let's talk about design. In terms of design, before we talk about specs, just have a good look at it. X-Pen, of course, calls this the Starship-inspired design. It looks the part as well. It has frameless doors, it has hidden handles, a roof line that flows, something that looks like it's from the future. And that's not all. That's not all. it has a drag coefficient of 0.248 CV. It's so lower in comparison to some of the sports cars that you see in Sri Lanka today. That number shows how efficient Xpeng has been able to engineer this product. Speaking of the next biggest problem, after all it's an EV, the biggest question everyone will ask is what's the range on it? And to answer that question, any EV buyer will have this question. It has a 480 kilometer range that is tested on the WLTP standard cycle. And of course, in terms of what that means, Colombo to Kandy and back, Colombo to Galle and back, and most other trips on this little island that we call home on one charge. And when you do need to top up, of course, it's a simple 12 minutes on a 10 to 80% battery top up. For example, the leading model that obviously the Xpeng G6 competes with, the Tesla Model Y, takes 27 minutes to do the same 10 to 80% charge. But the G6 obviously does it in 12 minutes. That's almost half the time. So it takes less time than a coffee to finish charging, and with the capability of charging up to 382 kilowatts of accelerated fast charging, and the development of Sri Lanka as a country which has enough and more fast chargers throughout the island, the fears of charging or the fears of range anxiety are not really a thing of today. So Xpeng, together with these fast charging, and as the country gets more and more fast chargers, for example 120 kilowatt chargers, that's the norm that we hear these days, will be able to juice up even quicker than you can possibly finish your coffee. Let's move on to the intelligence part of it. We have of course touched on this slightly, but specifically what does intelligence mean for the Xpeng G6? The G6 has something called X-Pilot. The G6 is electric and it's smart. The X-Pilot obviously sees the road and it sees it in every possible lighting condition. Day and night, it recognizes 49 different types of obstacles. It assists with you with things such as lane keeping, parking, and highway driving. And of course, you see the rest of the other features that the Xpeng G6 offers you help with. And the amazing fact is it gets smarter over time, automatically through OTA updates. Let's move on to the cabin experience, because that's where most of us will spend our time. You step inside and the first thing you see is how quiet the cabin is. This is thanks to the dual layer laminated glass of course on the windshield and the front windows. So the kind of acoustic that you would ideally find in a European sedan, which is obviously going to be twice the price given in Sri Lanka. And above you what you see is over 2 square meters of panoramic sky with an SPF 100 plus and UV protection built on it. You get the view without the heat. Let's move on to what you have in terms of your functionality in front seats. The front seats obviously comprise of multi-point massage, ventilated and heated seats, and after an hour on the baseline road you will understand what this means. In terms of the other ambient features that you get within the lounge, you get a 256 ambient light color gamut of lighting to set your mood, 18 speakers with Exopera 2.0 sound system. So finally, it's not a car, it's an experience that you do, especially in the traffic of Sri Lanka roads. Moving on to the safety, obviously we have a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating as of 2025. It's the most rigorous independent crash in the world, and the battery obviously is protected by a triple layer shield, and the G6 actively works to prevent accidents through its intelligence, not just to survive them. In terms of colors and personalization, because everyone has their own preferences, we have 5 exterior colors to choose from and 2 interior colors to choose from. Obviously, we have polished black alloy wheels as standard to bring out that sportiness of the Xpeng G6. Moving on to warranty and aftercare, because the journey with Evolution Auto, the journey with Xpeng does not end as you buy it, but the journey starts as you buy your vehicle, as you invest in your Xpeng G6. We offer an 8-year, 160,000 kilometer warranty on the battery and a 5-year, 120,000 kilometer warranty on the vehicle. And obviously, Evolution Auto operates Sri Lanka's only dedicated EV workshop nestled in Paliura, right next to the Porsche showroom. Apart from which, we have also signed up with Sterling Aftercare to offer our services throughout the range, throughout the island, I'd say, in Colombo, Minimampulam, Gaul, Ratmalana and Kadalana. So you can buy with confidence and drive without the worry. Now, to the most important part of the night, I'd say, we have a Starship-inspired design. We have 480 kilometers of range. We have 12-minute fast charging. We have a 5-star rating in terms of safety. We have massaging seats, ambient lighting, all of that, and an 18-speaker sound system, and finally, a Spinal intelligence. All of this at a sweet price point of 27 million offered. That is the Xpeng promise. That is what Evolution Auto's commitment is to premium intelligent electric right here in Sri Lanka. So to close off tonight, like I already shared with you, Sri Lanka enters a new chapter together with the Xpeng brand, together with the G6. It's not just a car that you buy, it's a statement of what you represent on the road, wherever you go. It's here, it's intelligent, it's electric. Ladies and gentlemen, the Xpeng is here.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lakshman, the Senior Head of Marketing and Evolution Auto Private Limited. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, few more minutes to go. Could someone tell the time? 7:15, 7:20? Pardon me? 7:30? 13, thank you. I'm going to do the sometimes. Yes. 7:30, ladies and gentlemen. I will reiterate 7:30, which means few more minutes to go. And as you brace yourself, we are about to unveil something truly extraordinary. Now, before that, I'm about to invite 4 gentlemen to join us and join me as well right here as we unveil something truly special. So let's get started. The Group CEO of Evolution Auto, Mr. Viran D'Souza, the Director of Evolution Auto, Mr. Charak Pereira, Head of Sales at Evolution Auto, Mr. Divan Vijayaratna, and also the Head of Sales at Evolution Auto, Salman Fernando. As these 4 gentlemen join us, may I invite all of you to please draw your attention towards the screen, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to reveal something truly special in a few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, all right. Could I have the 4 gentlemen on stage? Now, what we're going to do is we're going for a countdown. Yes, you can hold the clock. We are going for a countdown, and you are going to count with me. So the countdown is going to be 3, 2, 1. Shall we do it together? Yes? All right, together, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to unveil something truly extraordinary. Together, 3, together, 2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Xpeng G6, the future of mobility, innovation, design, performance, and I'm going to give all of you a moment to take a look, absorb it. I can see your facial expressions, big smiles on, so I'll give you a moment. A big thank you goes out to the 4 gentlemen who joined us for the unveiling, and a big round of applause to them as well, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Viran D'Souza, Mr. Charak Pereira, Mr. Divan Vijayaratna, and Mr. Salman Fernando. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what happens next? What's next? Well, it's where we invite all of you you to come and take a closer look. You would like a group photo with everyone? Alright, why don't the four gentlemen join for a group photo as well? You could take a closer look and meet the staff, meet the team. They are ready to guide you, assist you with any details. Now we did take you through the brand. We gave you the key features, all the details that requires, but I'm sure you might have questions and clarifications. Nevertheless, do not hesitate to inquire, to ask them, because they are ready to help you, ladies and gentlemen. And don't forget that you do have a test run also available starting from tomorrow, this weekend as well. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, how does it feel? Could I get words? How does it feel? Would you like to come closer and take a good look at it? Maybe sit on it and just feel it. What you feel is what you believe. And now is the time for you to get believing in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, futuristic technology and intelligent mobility. Enjoy the rest of the evening, ladies and gentlemen. And also please join us for refreshments and let's keep the night going. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, a big shout out goes out to the entire team who made this event a resounding success. Very good night to you and take care.